The first step, come over to youtube.com, wherein you may discover exceptional films and may earn loose PayPal Cash 2023 with the aid of using simply looking YouTube films. I need you to click on any of those movies, and when you open the video much like this, I need you to ensure which you watch at least 30 seconds of the video so you can earn 5 greenbacks. For every YouTube video you watch, all of those are actual charge proofs from humans everywhere in the global for all of the motion pictures they've watched. Right here's precisely how an awful lot loose PayPal Cash you could earn with this. In case you watched simply one YouTube video, you may earn 5 greenbacks. In case you watch 10 movies, you could earn 50 greenbacks, and whilst you watch 30 movies in line with day, you may earn as much as 150 greenbacks. And the best factor is that you may simply repeat this as a whole lot as you need. And hold on making a living, you simply want a cellular telecell smartphone or a PC to do that. To start with, I need you to click on check-in button at the Pinnacle Proper Nook, and it's going to take you to this web page. Now, in case you do not have a YouTube account already, create your account through simply clicking on create account and selecting for myself, and in this web page you could actually create a loose Google account out and sign on YouTube after you logged into your YouTube account. One component you may note at the left hand aspect is you could see the fine of YouTube. From there, YouTube will display you the fine acting films from every of those sections, including songs, sports, activities, gaming, films, information, and so forth. I need you to click on gaming from there, and it's going to take you to this web page. Beneath the gaming's phase, there are actually tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of human beings looking those gaming films on YouTube, and that they do not know how they may be making loads of loose PayPal Cash. However, nowadays I can display you a mystery approach which nobody speak me approximately that may make you loose PayPal Cash 2023 and simply mince, and that is precisely how vintage those men are making 5 greenbacks over and over for each unmarried day video they watch. That is absolutely loose and 100% reliable manner to make unfastened PayPal Cash 2023. YouTube is genuinely to be had in each United States, and you may watch it from everywhere. With inside the global excursion, earn unfastened paper cash proper. Now I'm able to come up with the primary bonus tip I need you to consciousness in this class of video. Minecraft, that is one of the maximum famous video games, with is trending proper now. While you click on Minecraft, it'll take you to this unique web page wherein you could discover lot of motion pictures approximately Minecraft recreation performs. And this type of stay streaming motion pictures is going for walks proper now. And for the second one step, all you need to do is to click on any of those stay movies. In case you click on in this video, it'll take you to subsequent web page in which they're jogging a live stream, and as you may see, lots of humans are looking this video, and there have been a variety of needs to observe those motion pictures, and so are the possibilities to make unfastened PayPal Cash. And 2023, the use of those movies ensure you maintain looking due to the fact I'm able to display an advantage tip on the quit of this video to be able to assist you to make 10 instances extra money than others, and in a minute I can display you precisely how you may make lots of unfastened PayPal Cash with this form of YouTube video. And the exceptional element is you could repeat this time and again for lot of various YouTube films in this class. To show those YouTube motion pictures into real cash, we ought to pass directly to the second one internet site in order to assist us to earn 3 humans cash. As you may see, humans incomes 5 greenbacks looking movies over and over. The use of the approach in this internet site, you've got the possibility to shorten the URL hyperlinks and or an unfastened PayPal Cash with them. Do not worry, I'm able to make it surely easy for you. It is certainly tons extra simpler than you watched, and there are only a few humans speaking approximately the method proper now. And you could make lots of loose PayPal Cash in 2023 in case you watch this video vintage. Oh, wait until the give up the call of this website online is 7r6.com. So the idea right here is certainly easy. You simply want to join a loose account on 7r6.com, and from there you need to shorten one-of-a-kind view URL hyperlinks of various YouTube movies. I will display you precisely a way to do it in only a minute, and you could make unfastened PayPal Cash for each unmarried video. Now I can display you one instance of precisely the way it works in case you're looking those YouTube films below. Those video you may discover the proportion button proper right here. Click on in this proportion button and you'll be capable of locate the YouTube URL hyperlink of this specific gaming video, and from there I need you to click on at the reproduction. However, this can replica the hyperlink of this YouTube video, after which all we should do is to head again to this internet site 7r6.com and paste the hyperlink into this field now, as you could see right here, I simply placed with inside the hyperlink of which YouTube video into this field. Now click on in this little button. This internet site will robotically assist you to shorten this lengthy YouTube link right into a modern day precise hyperlink. Now on every occasion humans will click on in this specific hyperlink, you're going to receive a commission. It's precisely how all of those men are making large cash in this internet site known as 7r6.com. As soon as you've got earned your cash, you are capable of coins out your income into your PayPal account, Bitcoin, Net Cash, Ideal Cash and Pay, or there are such a lot of exclusive fee alternatives. So for step 1 that I need you to do is to return back to the house web page, and that I wasdo you to click on at the signal of button at the pinnacle proper nook of the web page, and from there you may be taken to this web page wherein you could sign in a state-of-the-art club and all over again. That is 100% loose and to be had. International. Now I need you to post your username, your email, cope with create your password and test this container of phrases of use and privateness coverage, after which click on at the sign in button once you join up for a cutting edge account, and while you log in, that is what your dashboard will seem like in this web page. I need you to click on in this button at the pinnacle left nook, that's new shorten hyperlink. Click on that. And right here we are going to replica and paste our YouTube URL hyperlinks, so we will shorten it and or in unfasten PayPal Cash 2023 so proper. Now all I need you to do is simply move lower back on your YouTube video, click on the percentage button and replica this URL hyperlink, then move again in your dashboard and paste that hyperlink proper right here into this container, and beneath alias I need you to kind in Minecraft, that's the call of the video, and that I need you to simply click on at the shortened button, and this is your Minecraft shortened hyperlink. So step quantity 3, I need you to head again to YouTube and repeat the identical system for up to 3 special movies, the extra YouTube movies URL related. You replica and shorten the greater unfasten PayPal Cash you are going to make. That is the following bonus tip that I need to percentage with you, that I need you to cognizance in this specific class. Most effective due to the fact this may assist you to make a number of loose PayPal. The use of it I need you to awareness, especially on stay streaming movies best. Now let's keep. I need you to click on in this video, and that is going to take you to any other stay streaming video. From there we are going to repeat the identical approach. Click on the proportion button, then click on reproduction to replicate the URL. After that visit your URL shortening web page and paste the second one URL hyperlink into the field, after which we are simply going to place Minecraft to with inside the alias container. And click on shorten. It's the second one hyperlink we efficaciously shortened. Recollect what I advised you, simply repeat the identical approach to make huge cash online. You need to locate one of a kind trending YouTube movies, then simply reproduction the hyperlink and shortened it with the assist of 7r6.com. Now transferring on to the 4th step, I need you to return back over to the website OnlineSteamNetwork.com. However, earlier than we circulate similarly, in case you men are taking part in this video, then like this video and remark down beneath the call of your USA, in order that I will make cash online films for you and others looking out of your United States. Additionally, remark down beneath the call of the video games you frequently play. Now that is a gaming internet site or a gaming platform in which lot of humans speak approximately one of a kind techniques to play exclusive video games proper. Now at the Minecraft sport there are such a lot of unique discussions taking place, as you may see right here. Quite a few humans are speak me approximately this recreation, this sport is trending proper now, and they may be getting hundreds of thousands and tens of thousands and thousands of perspectives each unmarried day. So that is going to be your largest possibility to seize this fashion with the assist of 7r6.com and make a whole lot of unfastened PayPal cash.